Peony season is here, and let me show you how to make these gorgeous flowers last for a long time in your house. I got these home from the store yesterday, but I didn't have a chance to clean them out and put them in the vase. So what I did was just fill the vase with a little bit of water and just pop the flowers in there and left them alone for the rest of the night. This morning, I am going to clean all of these out. These should at least last for 7 to 10 days. Now, if you want these flowers to last for a long time, it actually starts with picking out the right flowers in the store. When I picked these out yesterday, they looked like this. It should be marshmallowy and almost a little bit closed. Don't pick out flowers when they have started to bloom, because that would give you that many less days. All these flowers bloomed overnight in my house. So try to get blooms that are even tighter when you buy them in the store. And they should feel marshmallowy and pillowy when you press in on them. The next step is to take the flowers out of the plastic and clean out all of the leaves. After adding water to your vase, add some flower food to it. If you don't have flower food, like I don't have any flower food today, add a little bit of sugar to your water and make sure that you change the water every couple of days. I'm going to cut the stems at an angle so that they can take in as much water as they can once they're in the vase. And leave them in a cooler section of your home so that the sunlight doesn't wilt them and make them bloom faster. I hope these tips help you make your flowers last a lot longer in your home.